Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Today we will start a new topic, that is types of solution or nature of solutions in quadratic equation. You have studied different methods of solving quadratic equations, that is factorization method, by completing the square, and also by a formula to solve the quadratic equation. In the formula you can see an expression b square minus 4ac, and depends on that value, the nature of the roots of quadratic equation will be varied. It will be different nature, which determines the nature of the solution, the value of b square minus 4ac. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Since this expression lies within the root, its value will be deciding which type of solution it is or which type of root it is. How it is, we will see. The value of b square minus 4ac is called discriminant and is represented by the symbol, it read as delta. It is a word in Greek language. It means a small increment, a small increase. So what is discriminant? A small increase, that is by plus or minus. Minus b plus or minus what? Square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So depending upon the value of delta, we can determine the nature of the root of quadratic equation. Now, if delta or discriminant is greater than 0, means what? Positive. When you find the square root, we will get a positive value. b square minus 4ac is positive. Then you can find the square root as a real number. So we will get, as per the formula, we will get two unequal. Unequal means different. Two different real numbers as roots. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or positive. Next, when delta is 0, the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. What will happen in the formula? See here. Minus b plus or minus 0. On plus 0 and on minusing 0, same value. What does it mean? Both the, suppose here is 0, square root of 0 is also 0. So what you will get? The solution minus b plus or minus 0 upon 2a, or minus b plus 0 upon 2a, or minus b minus 0 upon 2a. So both the roots will be minus b upon 2a. There is no change in the value of the root on adding and subtracting square root of b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is 0. Clear? So what is the nature of the solution or root? Two equal real numbers. There are two solutions, both are equal. Clear? Two equal real numbers. When b square minus 4ac is 0. Now it is also possible that delta is less than 0 that is delta is, when you calculate the value of b square minus 4ac, it is possible that it is negative. So that time what will happen? We cannot find the square root of negative number. Because we know that square of both positive and negative real number is positive. So inside positive only possible to find the square root. So when b square minus 4ac is negative, square root of negative is not a real number. We will not get a real number as the value of negative square root of negative numbers. So what is the result? What is the nature of the root or solution of quadratic equation? If delta is less than 0 or b square minus 4ac is negative, no real number exists as roots. You will not get a solution which is real number. Clear? So we cannot find the solution as real number when delta is less than 0. These are the three cases. Either b square minus 4ac is positive, or b square minus 4ac is 0, or b square minus 4ac is negative. These are the three possible cases. So when it is positive, you will get two unequal real numbers. When it is 0, you will get two equal real numbers. When it is negative or less than 0, no real number exists as roots. Clear? These are the different nature of solution of quadratic equation depending upon the values of b square minus 4ac. Clear? From the formula it is clear that it definitely depends on the square root of b square minus 4ac. Understood? For example, x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. There is a quadratic equation. Without solving, determine the nature of the root. What you have to write first? A equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 2. So first we have to find the discriminant, or delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values. Minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. Minus 1 square is 1, 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So what is the condition? Here we got positive value. B square minus 4ac is 9. It is positive. So which is the first case it is? When delta is greater than 0. So this equation has two unequal real numbers. So using this, by finding the value of b square minus 4ac, we can determine whether the equation has two unequal real numbers as root, two equal real number as roots, no real number as roots. Clear? So the value of b square minus 4ac is highly important in determining the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. That is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please watch each and every video of Mathline from the beginning to end for better understanding. Also, share and forward as much as possible to the students of all standard. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you.